Best mesothelioma lawyers. Mesothelioma and Asbestos Law Firm. A mesothelioma law firm specializes in asbestos law and mesothelioma cases. Law firms can get compensation for patients and loved ones by filing a mesothelioma lawsuit, asbestos trust fund claim, and other benefit claims. National mesothelioma law firms help families nationwide and will often travel to help file a claim. What is mesothelioma law firms? Mesothelioma law firms focus on asbestos litigation. They specialized in handling personal injury lawsuits, wrongful death lawsuits, and trust fund claim for patient and family facing mesothelioma. The nation top mesothelioma law firms has year of experience, adding those with suspected asbestos exposure. Teams of specialized legal experts know the best ways to secure compensation to help pay for personalized cancer treatment and other expenses. Mesothelioma law firms have developed to deep knowledge and emotional understanding of mesothelioma and how straightforward it is to navigate cancer treatment and health insurance. They understand how a terminal cancer losses affect families and how important it is to spend previous time with loved ones. Why you need a law firm specializing in asbestos exposure cases. Hiring an experienced asbestos law firm is your family best step toward securing mesothelioma compensation. These specialized firms tend of focus solely on asbestos cases and offer unparalleled expertise in this area of law. Streamlined process. An asbestos firm background and knowledge translate into a more effective experience for you and your family. Throughout the legal process, complex state laws, asbestos litigation law are challenging to understand and vary by state, making a nationwide firm the best way to secure competition. Asbestos database. These firms have developed extensive resources to help build your case, including asbestos product database and historical case record. National mesothelioma law firms has litigated case and trust fund claim nationwide. Choosing a nationwide firms gives you access to a network of attorney with asbestos cases expertise in each state who will determine the proper for filing your claim and maximizing your recovery. How to choose a mesothelioma law firm? Mesothelioma law firms specialized in asbestos cases. The first thing to look for when doing your research is their year of experience and a history of success. The top asbestos law firms in the US have a term of qualified attorney team who understand what you and your loved ones are facing and can give your confidence when pursuing your legal option. The top 5 must have when choosing your Mesothelioma law firm are here. Number 1. Lawyers who understand mesothelioma and asbestos. Asbestos law firms have intimate knowledge of the different types of asbestos related design and how this impact the patient and the legal process. The now what you and your family are going through and how treatment may affect your ability to the teams of experts and these firms advocate for experienced trial dates and quick settlements based on the state asbestos law that apply to your claim. They also content dependent as soon as possible to avoid state of litigation letting you force on your medical care. Number 2. Ability to document asbestos exposure. Firms specializing in asbestos have a wealth of deep industry resources and proprietary asbestos database filed with information about asbestos product and constantly mined job site. Attorney at asbestos firm will investigation your case in depend to discover proof of your claim. They use this information and their expertise database to conduct your mesothelioma diagnosis to pair asbestos exposure. Number 3. No upfront legal cost and free case evaluation. Not every firm offer a free cases evaluation, but mesothelioma law firms typically provide free evaluation, leveraging their nationwide network of attorneys. It is more challenging for local firms to provide this service because they operate on a similar cases. The PACE firms also work on a contingent fees basis, which means you only pay the if the recover compensation for you. You do not pay for their legal service if they do not win your cases. Number 4. Record of winning large verdict and settlements. National firms tend to have the best track record of searching compensation for victims of asbestos exposure. This kind of compensation help families afford medical treatment, deal with lost wages, and handle other expenses such as in the home nursing care. Number 5. A lawyers that makes you feel comfortable. Mesothelioma law firm understand that travel too difficult when you have been with a cancer. One of the most significant benefit of choosing a nationwide firm it is willingness to travel to your mate virtually no matter where you live with more scheduling availability than local firms. A good legal team will provide example of its success and explain fees upfront. You will time to learn about their attorney and will make their firm's unique mesothelioma. Working with a mesothelioma law firm, your attorney will guide you through each step of the lawsuit and help you understand your legal option. They will listen to your concisor and address any question about the process. The attorney will gather evidence to prepare your case, file a claim the proper and handle any response of defendants. Top mesothelioma law firm. In addition to experience and a winning track record, it is important to feel comfortable with the mesothelioma law firm you choose. Attorneys at top asbestos law firms are stable competition and sensitive to what you and your family are going through. Your lawyers will manage every aspect of your cases, allowing you focused on what matter most, treatment and your health.